like this. This one can be eaten, and this one though, that turmeric powder is made out of it. First this is dried, and then here it is, collected this much. Hi, what's up beautiful people, and if you're new to this channel, I'm Lima de Burma and you're watching Tripura. And today I'm going to show you around my garden. Not my garden actually, my mom and my dad. They have grown some spices and some veggies, so going to show you around. But I got ready myself with this one to cut the bamboo shoots and this basket to collect them. So let's get started. First this bamboo shoots, but I'll collect this one later. I'm going to go inside and show you guys what a grown bamboo shoot looks like. My god, I don't know what I've got myself into. Where is it? Ang lukmanita yang gana gini no. Kumong kamu o iko. This one. Going to collect this first. It's already grown, but I think I have to get here. Oh my god. Yagbay no ma nahasinay. Got this one, see? Looks like this. And here's another one. I think I better take this at my hand. No. Going to admit it, I'm not expert. I'm trying my best. Okay, got this. And here's the last one. I'm going to check here and there if I get any, but as far as my idea, I think this is the last bamboo shoot. Okay, got it. So here is the basket. It's a bit sunny. Here is my weapon. So I have already murdered 3 bamboo shoot. That's a joke. Guys, and I was totally wrong. There's another one. I'm going to go and collect it. I think it's going to be very much sufficient for 3 people here. So, I'm going to take it inside down there. Lots of plants and stuff like that. Oh god. Oh my god. Ah. Somehow I have reached there. Ah, here it is. I'm going to search around if I can find one. No, not there. So from here our boundary ends. say this wall of tin. Here it is, collected this much. So guys, here is our another section of garden, and here we are growing the ginger and turmeric. This one, as you can see, these are turmeric, and below here this one, these are gingers. So I'm going to show you around this garden as well. So it looks like this one. Both this one and this part can be eaten, and it's grown in our own garden, so it tastes much better than which we get from the market. So I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to show you the turmeric. And this one can also be eaten. This is called borobok, and this is turmeric. I'm going to show you guys. This is it looks like this. This one is not grown yet, but the branches look like this. This one can be eaten, and this one too, that turmeric powder is made out of it. First this is dried and then it is made paste. Actually I'm going to put it back because it's not ready yet. Amayang pwede masarap like nan. Maram ka de. This is our chilies grown well at home. Kasi padyama punungan ka na. Looks like this. Plenty we have here and there as well. Another few plants. Going to pluck few for the house. So to pluck it, go like this and pluck like this. These are pretty much hot, so I think I'm going to take only few, and it's going to be enough for the dishes. So here it is. Few. And this one as well. Ama mo ni bung tam sa kamu mo yang si punog di yang tolaw camera punog na. This one as well. We eat it. This one too.
About sao? Sunday.
Sunday. We go. Here we have the star fruit. We have two star fruit trees. This one and this one as well. There. Going to pluck it for you guys to show you. Using this bamboo stick as a weapon to pluck the fruits. Oh, we got it. So here it is. is badly ripe. So, Ama, Ramli, I'm going to get another one. What's it? I think this is okay to be eaten. This one.
দুইটা খসা দিও কোন করা যাক দুইটা
So I've got this too. I'm going to make salad out of it. And another fruit we have is shurpana. This one is called shurpa. Looks like this. It looks like this. It looks like this. It looks like this one, this fruit. And only few are there, but and it looks like this from the inside. It looks like this from the inside. Actually, I think that squirrel ate it, so it looks like this. And we have noni trees as well. Going to show you. And these are called noni. Both its fruit and leaves can be eaten. I have also seen some videos where they cook the leaves with the fish, and this one I have seen people eating as a salad, and I did try a salad of this noni's fruit, and it doesn't have smell. I don't know about the ripe ones, but it's a fruit which have lots of seeds. Going to make few dishes for you guys to show you how it can be eaten, and it has health benefits as compared to other fruits. So it's lemons, this is mostly available in Tripura, and that the nimbu is not so available as this lemon, this big one. And both its leaf and this fruit is used for a dish. Chakri, this leaf is used as a spices. And here is our guest who comes by every time we cook fish or chicken. She is always there to eat the bones. So guys, this is the end of this video, and I finally showed you our garden. I hope that you liked it. I need to try these chilies, and it's getting late, so I'll meet you all in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.
1, 2, 3.